Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over webtalk. It's going to be a quick review on it, and I'm giving you some updates on it. Now, for most of you who don't know, webtalk is a new social media platform that launched about 2.5, 3 years ago. Alright, it's similar to Facebook and LinkedIn. If you can bind those two together, what you could do is pretty much make posts, like, comment on other people's content. And I could show you an example of that right now. If we go to my home page here, right? Now this is my profile, how I set it up. Like I said, similar to Facebook, right? And you can put your social media profiles on here. Your YouTube, you get traffic to your YouTube channel like I'm getting right now. Alright, and we're gonna go to my timeline. Now, unlike Facebook and LinkedIn, you could get paid for posting on other people's content or posting your own content, like I'm doing right now. I shared someone's content. You get paid for the number of likes. You get paid for the number of comments, shares, and views. Alright. Now I'm just going down the list. I'm posting my YouTube videos on here. Alright, I got 15 likes on this one, 2 comments, 1 shared, and 14 views. Alright, you don't have to be perfect about it. And I could show you how to post on there. I got another video on how you post on webtalk. Alright. And got more training that got 20 views, 5 shared, 4 comments, and 11 people liked it. Alright. And then, like I said, you get paid for all this, and then you could get people under you as well too. Your referrals could do the same thing, and it could add up over time. And I'll show you an example of that right now. So this is my ad rewards points. I just earned 333 points yesterday, totaling a 2,105 points for the month of January. So I'm gonna go to my dashboard. Alright, and this is what I earned so far. So like I said, it's not much because my referrals are not quite active yet, but once they do get active, it'll start to add up pretty quickly, and I'll show you what's possible. So let's go back. So 18 cents for the month of January. Let's just go back to when I joined in 2020, and then go down to September. So I really didn't do much. I really wasn't posting. I just kind of blew it off, kind of. And now I'm more active on it. Now I'm promoting it more. And so far I got 22 referrals. And I have people visiting my profile and clicking on my links. Alright. And let's see. They do have different payment processors. Stripe. They're adding PayPal. And they're going to add the ability to get paid via Bitcoin as well. Right. So here's where you get your referral links. Alright, you get different options here. And this is January's pie right here. They're gonna split $10,000 between everyone in the company, and this is the slice part of the slice I earned, and I earned 2 slices of pie, and like I said, 18 cents so far. So they do have affiliate banners as well, and this is the affiliate landing page. All right. Let's see. Let's go up here. And I'll show you what's all possible. So as a free member, you can start for free, earn 10% revenue share for life, includes pro upgrades, 100% matching bonuses, all feature revenue streams. Alright. And then as a pro customer, you earn 10% revenue share for life. You get to the 5 level bonus referrals. That's limited time though, so do recommend joining rather soon. All right, and here's what's coming soon. Commission plan up to, earn up to 48 per year per pro customer referral. Or actually, that's already there. All right, coming soon. So self-service advertising platform. So pretty much, if you have issues with Facebook ads and Instagram ads, they're coming out with their own ad platform. Earn 10% when your referrals purchase ads for their business. So, like I said, you get referrals, people under you, and they decide to advertise their stuff on this platform. They pay for advertising. You you earn a 10% commission on that. All right. They do have a marketplace, so earn 1% on every member to member product and service transaction. All right. And then the travel, earn cash rewards on every flight, hotel, and car rental purchase. And that's actually, I can't wait for that. That's going to be pretty nice. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and calculate what's possible, the income calculator. All right. So say you get someone like me that earned 2,100 points, right? And then influencer points, let's say 50,000, which is not hard to get. And then, so I've invited 22 people so far. Let's see, 100, 20, let's go 20,000. Let's go 1%. And let's see, how many people will you referrals invite to join WebTalk on average through 5 levels? Let's just say, I'll just go, let's just say 3. With just 3 people alone, that the people I refer people, and this is what's possible, $5,382 per month. So, and this, most of it will be from the bonus rewards. All right, and whatever they do, pretty much whatever they do on the platform. Now, if you're interested in joining my link, go ahead and click on the link below for free to get started. All right, thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.